Sides and front. Tayo sa harap. Power seats, power windows, power side mirrors, power fold, electric ito yung latch for trunk, flat bottom steering wheel, malaking screen, yan, cruise control, volume controls, ito yung maliit na kanyang shift knob, NFC card, dito yung pwesto kung card ang gagamitin mo, yung glove box compartment, then may ambient light, piano black, sunroof, may cover, may shade, and the seats are all leather. Same color dito sa mga sidings. Yan. Starting. Okay. Naka-EV mode tayo and Eco mode. And responsive, hindi siya lousy. Horn, medyo delay ang horn nito guys, mawawaway kayo. Kailangan ito i-update guys. Nangyayari kasi yung update, kailangan mo nang mabili to ng client. Kaya may magtatanong nyo, bakit kailangan pa ba't hindi nyo muna i-update no? Before bigay sa client. Kasi guys, sa mga nakabili na ng BYD, pinapasok to sa BYD app, sa terminal ng BYD for better experience. So madali lang naman, punta kayo sa casa to update the car and software. So all you can hear is the road noise, the tires rolling on the ground, the aircon, the blower. Yan. One other feature is the screen can be rotated or portrait. Let's test the cruise control dito, mabilisan lang, and let's set. Headway setting 1, may tumawid, so kusa siyang babagal. Yan. Lane keep assist won't work if there's no markings on the road, won't work properly. And if malabo, yan. So let's deactivate the cruise control. Very convenient yung cruise control pag adaptive siya guys, kahit sa expressway. While we're moving, 360 cam, this is what you can see. Naka 3D mode. Yan, pwede mong tanggalin yung kotse if it's distracting. This is the front. Yan, let's check it out. Let's try to floor it at EV mode. While on EV mode, very stable guys. There's a body roll a little bit, pero stable. We're cruising at 100. I don't feel any parang nervyos. Kanya-kanyang katangian yung mga kotse guys pero pretty sure if once you drive the SL6 or say Line 6, mag-enjoy ka with all of its feature and experience na ibibigay siya ng SL6. Just enjoy the drive guys. No horn, medyo delikado, but you have to manage it. Baga you have to be advanced, but no worries guys, once it is updated, you don't have to worry about it anymore. Hopefully they could make some adjustments, but as of now needs to be updated first. So those who purchase BYD and experiencing this will need to go back to their respective BYD dealer or to the nearest BYD dealer for software update. And let's try to floor this again. Let's use the cruise control again. Alright. Okay. It's already activated. Lalabas ako sa line. It's vibrating. This is what you call lane keep assist. Adjust the distance. Currently, I am set at level 2. Lilipat ako level 1. So the distance is a little bit nearer to the next car. Automatically, the car switch from EV mode to HEV mode because this is how it's being set up pag na-reach na 30% or could be 25%. It's noted in here. Since I'm driving, I won't be able to show you that. As you can see guys, once I step off the gas, it goes negative, and that's because of regenerative braking. So once it goes negative, it means the battery is being charged. Alright guys, this is it. Thanks for watching. Drive safe everyone.